Hi, what's up, guys? This is Fahim. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to share with you an insight that I gained recently, and I think it's very important. Okay, this video is not going to be very long, so I hope you will watch it until the end. So the question is, the topic of this video is, do you really need to develop your personality to generate sales online? The answer is yes, you have to. Let me share with you. Uh, how many friends do you have on your Facebook profile? Probably 2000, 3000, or 5000, and almost all of them has something to offer. But how many of them do you know? How many of them do you know closely? Or the most appropriate question is, how many of them do you like? The answer would be probably 10 or 15. Why do you like only 15 of your friends when you have 5000 friends on Facebook? That is because they have amazing personality, they have amazing attractive personality, and that's why you like them. And I recently saw a post on Steven's group, and he directly went on pitching his upcoming program, and still I liked it. Okay, still I liked it because I like him, because I like his personality. We were taught in the Facebook organic lead strategy that you have to connect with your friends and you have to talk with them, genuinely try to solve their problems to generate sales. Okay, this is truth. Okay, I do not disagree that, but there is something missing in this, which is amazing personality. If your customers do not like your personality, they're not going to buy. So you have to connect with your customers. The best suggestion I have for you is, go to Facebook live every day and be genuine. Okay, if you add something fake in your contents, in your videos, people will understand that and they will not like you for that. Okay, so when you post a content, when you decide to go on Facebook live, please be genuine. Okay, and even funny, because Steven is funny in his Facebook ads, in his contents, and trust me, that's why I like him. Okay, so be genuine while producing your contents, and you will definitely attract more and more peoples, and the more peoples you attract, the more sales you make. The video is going to be long, guys, so I'm not going to talk more for now, but I'll definitely upload more videos with amazing strategies. So what did I learn from this video? You have to develop an amazing attractive personality to generate more sales. Okay, stay with me, stay engaged with this content to get future contents from me. And guys, goodbye for today. Talk to you in my future videos.